Hello guys, welcome back. I am popping on today to do a layout with this gorgeous traveler's notebook from Journals for Life. It's a whole kit, subscription kit, and this one is called Botany. So there's all of these great like butterflies and leafy bits and just botanical kinds of things. Ooh, life is better in the garden. So really great goodies. I haven't decorated the front, but I've got to use these cute little frogs. They are adorable, which make me print this picture of this little frog that I have. So I started flipping through this and I really like the leafy bits on the page I chose. And I think it's also going to help this, the green get pulled across. I'll put the photo over here. I was just looking one more time and I think, and yes, I saw that too. I think I'm digging this. So let me get my little clippies on here. I don't have any foofy clips or anything on top yet. We have plenty of time since this is our first one. So here's my froggy picture. He was sitting in my sedum when I was painting one day and I was like, oh, I guess he wants to hang out. Perfectly fine. I also have this really pretty washi. I keep this little dollar store bin with my stuff in it for the month while I am crafting, creating, etc. And it works ever so fine. Now I also have, ooh, look at this, how it's grabbing some of this blue tone. I've got this really nice piece of pattern paper. We are getting these pattern papers now that go with our kits. I think we get 4 a month. So kind of digging that, not sure yet. I thought I would just go ahead and play for a minute, kind of get a vibe on things. I always love butterflies. I like it because I can create like movement on my page. And yes, I know when you close it, it goes away, but I don't care. I like it right now. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Hello Spring is a perfect title for this. Time together doesn't work. This is our homestead. Well, that was like, you know, in my front yard. Life is better in the garden. Now, it was my yard. So like if I was British, I could go garden with it. Ooh, that's kind of cute. Maybe the tag going out that way. And this little guy coming up this way still. We'll see. We have plenty of time for things to change. So like legit, I'm just going through my goodies. I've got this really great stamp set. I might emboss some of these flowers, like 3 of them, to have them go here, there, and everywhere on my page. I'm just looking. All right, so since I am spending ooh, I like this heart too. Spending a little bit too much time enjoying all of these beautiful things, let me get my thoughts going a little bit more. Oh, there's my froggy right there. And I'm going to emboss that stamped flower and I'll be back in a moment. So I was playing a little bit. I did go ahead and stamp on vellum with a very, very sparkly embossing powder that I've had for 300 years. It didn't come out as crisp as I would like. I think it's something that might look a little bit better with a really nice ink, but I do like the gold on here, so I'm going to go with it. I have two little banner pieces at the top here, and I think I'm going to stick them down. I don't have anything stuck down. I think they're cute. Now the only thing, you know what? I don't want to staple them because I have the gold on here. My staples are silver. So I will maybe get a little piece of our washi to tack it down. That might be it. I have that there. I have this little guy right next to it. They're very cute. Let me see if I can get our washi going. So, oh, look at that orange butterfly. So cute. Okay. So, we're not going to see the whole thing though. Well, we'll see the little bottom of the butterflies. That's fine. That's fine. And I will trim that off in a minute. They're so pretty. So these gorgeous pieces right here, I just have layered up. I'm going to see if I have a little piece of twine, which I hope I do, that would work with this. I think I have some white and gold twine. That might be my ticket. But I'm going to go like this. I have all these pieces that are just kind of stacked, but I like the way that they ended up getting layered, so I'm gonna go with it. Then we'll do this again, and we're just gonna keep layering them up. Now, I have to decide, do I want to bring in some sequins? Do I want to bring in, I don't know, what kind of little bits? Some of the fun stuff with doing designs like this is you just go for it, and it is just all fun. That's all it is. It's just all for fun. All right, so I really like this tag. I do that, and I want to stick a little bit more of this gold right here. Perfect. So that is taking care of my cluster on this side, and it's going to go right in with all the little botanicals. And I want the little froggy to be the thing that is squared off. So let's do that. We get tons and tons of frogs. I have a little bit of a stream behind me. We have some woods and then like a little stream area. So we get lots of cute froggies. I'm gonna get a little bit of dimensional adhesive to pop that Hello Spring up just a little bit. I think I should pop something up over here too. Looks a little bit flat, and I do like a chunky traveler's notebook. So let me get all of these pieces down, and I'll be back in a moment. So one of the things I love about TNs is they come together so quickly, because I'm used to, ooh, that looks really cute there. I'm used to like scrapbooking will take longer. You have a lot more room to fill in and all of that, but I love how quickly you can document little bits and little pieces. So let's see. Got this navy blue here, but it's reading as like a super neutral. I do like the idea of bringing in a bluish one of these succulents over here. Maybe I just want to layer and layer. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this little guy up on some dimensional adhesive. I knew I needed something popped up over here, and this might be the ticket. And I want to get a little bit of washi on the left side as well. Oh, it's bending right into me. Okay, I'm going to keep playing. I'm also going to look for some enamel dots, all that kind of stuff to bring into my kit. And I'll be back in a moment to finish up with you. I was looking at our stamps, and we have this adorable little floral stamp that I want to pop on here. But I think the ink I have is a little bit bright for the ink that we're using. So I'm going to do a little bit of a second generation kind of stamping. I think that's going to be the ticket. And if it doesn't turn out, oh no, it turned out great, then, you know, I can just cover it. No biggie. So stamp off once, get some of that off. Where does this want to go? Oh, I think it wants to go up here, kind of under the butterfly. Sorry if my head was in the way. I don't know if it was. Little something happening here and there. So thought I'd pop in that I was doing that. Okay. Still going to look for some enamel dots or sequins or something. I'll be right back. I added just a couple of gems in my clusters to have a little bit of sparkle and shine, because quite frankly, I like sparkle and shine. So that is it. The only thing I brought in on these layouts was the embossing powder and the gems. Well, I guess the ink too, right? But I did get the ink from the store that are in my little butterfly and floral clusters. So that is what I have for you today. I will take a couple of still shots and get them up. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Oh, I will have links down below where you can get your hands on these kits, as well as the Facebook group. Okay, bye for now, friends. Still shots in 1 second.